Hello dear students, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to discuss the chapter 10 straight line from the class 11 NCERT textbook. Okay, let's start. Okay, my dear students, we can start the chapter. In this video, I am giving only the notes or short revision of chapter straight line. If you want detailed description of this chapter, or if you want the detailed video or detailed explanation of this chapter, please comment below. I will give you detailed class. Now we can look the chapter. Okay, first we can discuss distance formula. Distance formula is the distance between 2 points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is given by AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the distance between 2 points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2. That is AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next is the distance of point A of xy from origin is OA. That is distance between origin to the point A. Then OA is equal to root of x square plus y square. Because in this equation origin is at point 0, 0. Therefore x1 and y1 is 0. Therefore we get x2 whole square, that is only one variable is there, x. Therefore x square plus y square is the distance of point A from origin is equal to root of x square plus y square. Next topic is section formula. The coordinate of a point which divide join of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:n internally is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is internally. Then externally is mx2 minus nx1 by m plus n, my2 minus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. Section formula says the coordinate of the point which divide joint of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:n. That the section formula defines the coordinate of a point. Okay, which divide the joint of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m:n. Therefore, if it divide internally, it is mx2 plus nx1 by n plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If it is divide externally, then mx2 minus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m plus n. Next, midpoint of the joint of x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint of the joint of x1, y1 and x2, y2. The coordinates of a centroid of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. These are the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. The triangle's vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Next, the area of triangle. The area of triangle, the coordinate of whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is the absolute value of half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Or we can write half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. If the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear, then we can write x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. That is, if these 3 points are collinear, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Next, shifting of origin. Usually we have origin at 0, 0. Now it is shifted to the point 0 dash of h comma k. Then if p of xy are coordinate of a point referred to old axis. This is a coordinate of the point referred to old axis, and p dash of xy are coordinate of same point referred to new axis. This is new axis, same point. Then we can write small letter x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k. Next, we can look what is straight line. Okay. Up to this we have discussed introduction part. Now we can look what is straight line. A straight line definition. Any curve is said to be straight line if two points are taken on the curve such that every point on the line segment joining any 2 points on it lies on the curve. This is the definition for straight line. I repeat, any curve is said to be straight line if 2 points are taken on the curve such that every point on the line segment joining any 2 points on it lies on the curve. We have general equation of a line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of line. Next topic is slope or gradient of a line. The definition for slope is the inclination of angle theta to a line with positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. The tangent of angle theta is said to be slope of line. This is a definition of slope. It is said to be gradient of line also. I repeat the definition. The inclination of angle theta to a line with a positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. The tangent of angle theta is said to be slope of line. The slope of line passing through points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is given by M is equal to tan theta. That we are told it is a tangent of angle theta. Then tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of line. Next, slope of line parallel to x-axis is 0 and slope of line parallel to y-axis is not yet defined. It will be helpful in solving problems. Next topic, angle between two lines. The angle theta between two lines having slope m1 and m2 is given by tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the angle between two lines. The slope of lines are m1 and m2. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That is m1 is equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of slope is minus 1. That is m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. These all are important in solving the problems. Next topic, various forms of equation of line. If line is at a distance k and parallel to x-axis, then equation of line is y is equal to plus or minus k. That is, it is at the distance k. Therefore, equation of line is y is equal to plus or minus k. If a line is parallel to y-axis at a distance c from y-axis, then equation of line is x is equal to plus or minus c, because it is at the distance c from y-axis and it is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, if line is parallel to x-axis, then equation is y equal to plus or minus k. If line is parallel to y-axis, then equation is x equal to plus or minus c. K and c are the distance of line. Next, we can look various forms of line. First one, slope intercept form. The equation of line with slope m and making an intercept c on y-axis is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Next is one point slope form. The equation of line which passes through the point x1, y1 and has slope of m is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next is two-point form. The equation of line passing through the point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x1 minus x minus x1. This is the two-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next, intercept form. The equation of line which cuts off intercept a and b respectively on the x and y axis is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. Next, the normal form. The equation of a straight line upon which the length of the perpendicular from origin is p and angle made by this perpendicular to the x-axis is alpha is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This is the normal form of equation of straight line. Next, we can look general equation of line. Any equation of form x plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are simultaneously not 0, is called general equation of line. This is the general equation of line. X plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are simultaneously not 0. Next, we can look different form of x plus by plus c is equal to 0. First is slope intercept form. In slope intercept form, if b not equal to 0, then x plus by plus c is equal to 0 can be written as y is equal to minus a by b, x minus c by b, or y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus a by b and c is equal to minus c by b. This is the slope intercept form of equation x plus by plus c is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, then we can write x is equal to minus c by a, which is a vertical line whose slope is not defined and x-intercept is minus c by a. That is, if b is equal to 0, x is equal to minus c by a, which is a vertical line whose slope is not defined and x-intercept is equal to minus c by a. Next, intercept form. If c not equal to 0, then x plus by plus c equal to 0 can be written as x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1, or x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is equal to minus c by a, b is equal to minus c by b. Next, we can look normal form of the equation x plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where cos alpha is equal to plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square, then sin alpha is equal to plus or minus b by root of a square plus b square, and p is equal to plus or minus c by root of a square plus b square. Next, position of a point is related to a given line. Let equation of given line be x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Coordinates of two given points is p of x1, y1 and q of x2, y2. Then the points are on the same side of the line x plus by plus c equal to 0 if ax1 plus by1 plus c and x2 plus by2 plus c have same sign. Next, the 2 points are on opposite side of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If x1 plus by1 plus c and x2 plus by2 plus c have opposite sign. That is, the 2 points are on the same side of equation x plus by plus c equal to 0 if x1 plus by1 plus c and x2 plus by2 plus c have same sign. If 2 points are on opposite side of x plus by plus c equal to 0 if x1 plus by1 plus c and x2 plus by2 plus c have opposite sign. Next, we can look condition of concurrency for three given lines. The three given lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. Then the condition is given by a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1 plus b3 into a2 c1 minus a1 c2 plus c3 into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. This is a condition of concurrency for three given lines. Next topic, point of intersection of two lines. Let equation of line be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then their point of intersection is given by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Next, a2 c1 minus a1 c2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the point of intersection of two lines. I repeat, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a2 c1 minus a1 c2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Next, distance of a point from a line. The perpendicular distance of a point P of x1 y1 from a line x plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Next, distance between two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2 is given by d is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by root of 1 plus m square. This is the distance between two parallel lines.